Oilskin accessories. Outback Trading offers additional accessories to customize your Outback oilskin products. These products are compatible with the Lowrider Duster, Stockman Duster, and the Bushranger jacket. We're going to use a Bushranger jacket to show you how to attach both accessories. Let's start with the wool button-in liner. Lay your jacket flat on a surface with the jacket fully open, then lay the liner on top. On the back of the liner, you will find a Velcro tab. Loop this tab through the loop under the garment tag to secure the back of the liner to the jacket. Line up the bottom button of the vest and jacket and begin working your way up, buttoning the buttons on both sides of the jacket. Flip the collar of the jacket inwards and secure the snaps of the collar points to the jacket. Your jacket is now ready to wear with a warm wool lining. To remove the liner, simply do these steps in reverse. Next, we're going to attach the hood to the Bushranger jacket. Lay your jacket upside down on a flat surface. Unsnap all of the snaps around the cape of the jacket. Lay the hood above the jacket with the loops on top of the snaps that are attached to the body of the jacket. Now, re-snap all of the snaps back to the cape, with the loop being secured in between the two. Your jacket with a hood is now ready to go. To remove the hood, follow the same steps in reverse.